If you have about $200 to spend on a drone right now, you're probably looking at the DJI Mini 4K. It's cheap, it shoots in 4K, and you don't even need to register it. But before you buy it, there are two massive missing features you need to know about, and two competitors that might suit you better. First, let's talk about what makes the DJI Mini 4K an absolute steal at this price. For around $200, you are getting a true 3-axis mechanical gimbal. That means your footage looks like a Hollywood movie, not a shaky home video. It shoots in stunning 4K, gets up to 31 minutes of flight time, and handles level 5 winds effortlessly. Plus, weighing under 249 grams, it bypasses the strict FAA registration rules. But here is where they cut corners. The Mini 4K has zero obstacle avoidance. If you fly it sideways into a tree, it's going to crash. More importantly, for solo creators, it lacks active track, meaning it cannot automatically follow you while you bike or run. So, what if you need tracking? Enter competitor number 1, the Potensic ATOM. For roughly a similar price if you catch a sale. The ATOM also gives you a 4000 camera and a 3-axis gimbal, but it includes visual tracking to follow subjects. The downside, its video transmission and app polish just aren't as perfectly reliable as DJI's O2 system. Competitor number 2 is DJI's own little brother, the DJI Neo. For just $199, the Neo is basically a flying AI camera. It takes off from your palm, follows you everywhere without a controller, and has built-in propeller guards. The footage isn't on a 3-axis gimbal, and it maxes out at about 80 minutes of flight time, struggling in high winds. So, which one should you buy? If you want an autonomous drone that follows you like a personal cameraman, look at the DJI Neo. But if you want to learn how to actually fly, capture sweeping cinematic landscapes, and get the best pure image quality for the price, the DJI Mini 4K is completely unmatched right now. Ivy put the current lowest price links for all 3 down in the description and the pinned comment. Check them out to see if they're essay flash sale running today. Subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews, and happy flying.